Okay, so you are going to just quickly learn a little thing about text. Okay, so go ahead and get a new document, and you can make a new document by 7.5, and oops, that's pixels. It meant to be inches. We did that mistake before. So 7.5 by 10. And resolution 150 is fine. Can you save that preset so that you can have that from now on? And just say okay. Okay. Oh, you got to choose a name for it. Okay, but that should work. I've already got mine in there, so that's why. Because if I go down here, then it's right there. See? So, but mine's at resolution 300, which is fine. Okay, so I just say okay. All right. So you are going to learn just to do a little trick with using type. Okay, if you hold the type button down, you can see that there are like two different types, and then there's these mask tool types. But I'm going to teach you a simple way to do a mask tool type. Okay, so what you want to do is just take your background, okay, and go ahead and color on it any way you want to, okay? So I'm going to just go ahead and put a green picture on mine, and then I'm going to take a brush, and maybe I'll change this color here to, oh, I don't know, maybe bright red, pink, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just color on it and do just terrible things with it. Okay, and then maybe I'll default it back to black and do a little bit of black on it too, just to make it pretty horrifying. All right, so now all I have to do is take my text here, and I can just go ahead and write on my text and just, I don't know, something, just say, I have some cats here that are driving me crazy, so I'm going to say crazy cats. Okay, now I'm going to select that by Command A, and then I can change that font to anything I want it to be. And I'm going to make mine a little bit bigger here. And bold is fine. 46. Okay, if you want to change the size here, that's fine. But another way to change the size is to do Command or Shift, Command, greater sign. Okay, Shift, Command, greater sign, and then you can just change it. Okay, and then I'm going to also change the, what do you call the, okay, go ahead and push this move tool, okay, and that makes it so that it's secure right there. Now do Command T so that you can resize it or do anything you want with it. And that's the transform tool that I chose there. Okay. Okay, once I have that done, now I'm going to do a little tricky thing here. I'm going to go ahead and apply that transform tool. Oh wait, you know what? Not yet. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so Command T, and then turn it, and I'm going to make it just a little bit thicker here. Okay, and then apply it by double-clicking it. Okay, here's the tricky thing. I'm going to put now look at where my mouse goes. My mouse goes right here where the T is, or on this this window that's in here on the layers. Now, when I hold down the Command key and click into there, okay, I can select everything, okay? And so I want to select it again, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that it's not on this layer anymore. I'm going to take that T off, and I'm going to put it on this layer here, okay? And I'm going to make sure that's unlocked by double clicking it, okay? I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to do Command C, okay, and then Command V. And then what happens is, if I take off this window, you can see I have the lettering, okay? So that's kind of cool. There's faster ways to do it than that, but I just want to show you this so it can show you how to do layers. Okay, and then you just double click this, and you'll get these really cool things like drop shadow, bevel and emboss, and you can do the contour here. And if you went into the drop shadow, you can also change that, like the distance and the spread of it, and different things on it. So that's double clicking it. Same with the bevel and the emboss. And so then if I go back and put this back on, you'll see how it kind of comes out. Or if I wanted to, like I could, I could put in a different layer here. I just went back to that bottom and put a layer here so that okay, so that it would be underneath. Okay, underneath this layer of the words, and here I could just go ahead and put another color. Maybe I'll just select a yellow here, and I will go ahead and just do that. So it's any way you want to. So that ought to be fun. I'd like you to try out making one picture and just see if you can learn to do it, and then try another one so you have a couple pictures that might really be attractive for your web page. Okay, thank you.